Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Price discrimination gets tested fast here, so watch this. We need the market where a firm can charge more, and the trick is demand sensitivity. In third-degree price discrimination, a firm charges different prices across separate markets, and it pushes the higher price where buyers are less responsive to price changes because demand there is less elastic. The availability of substitutes is the big clue because when consumers have fewer substitutes, they cannot switch away easily, so quantity demanded falls less when price rises in that market.
Therefore, the firm maximizes profit by charging the higher price in the market with fewer substitutes available, which matches option D. Nice!
Well done! Option D. Scan now. Don't rush past demand clues. Fewer substitutes means less elastic demand, so that market gets the higher price.